Hey all of you, welcome back. And today the topic is showing my earring collection. But before going to the topic, first of all, I have to show the gift which was left to just show you. And this gift was given by Neha Mummy, that means our Mossy. So now let's see it. So the gift is in this box. So now let's open it. So here is a t-shirt for him, and attached to it means it with it set there is a half pant also for him. So it's super cool clothes and very nice, very good quality is also very nice. So now moving to my earring collection. So basically, I have two kinds of earring collection. That is one traditional and one of the Western earrings. So in this box, I have kept all of my traditional earrings. Like this is box full of traditional earrings. So now let's open it and just see. Okay. So starting with the first, that is a classical earring. एक्चुअली नॉट क्लासिकल बट इसको हिंदी में गोटा कहते हैं और इसको जैसे हम जो भी टॉप्स डालते हैं ना टॉप्स के बीच में इसको डाले जाता है एंड ये फिर ऐसे करके कुछ होता है इसको टॉप्स के अंदर डाल के तब इसको पहनते हैं और ये कुछ ऐसे दिखता है जो कथक में या फिर ऐसे जो भी क्लासिकल डांस होते हैं वो उसमें यूज होता है ओके सो द नेक्स्ट इज दिस this pair of earrings. It's so good. I feel so. Okay, so then now the next is this most beautiful, this pink color earring, which is very nice, very good at all. Actually, I have wear it most of the times because this is one of my favorite earring. Next, this earring, which is also like chumka. Okay, so the next is this. It's basically South Indian earrings, and if I got a chance to shoot for South Indian look, or if we have the dance for South India, I will fortunately, I will wear this because this is very nice, very, sparkling and glowing earring. Now the next is this earring. Its color combination is very good that I love it. Basically pink and white. I don't wear traditional earrings that much, but if there is a wedding or I tried that key, I just wear it much of the times because that is kept and it is going to be, getting that is in the box only. Next, this Maharashtrian earring. This is basically black metallic jewelry. It this has whole set like this much of necklace, then a small hair, then this earrings, then mang tika, then Maharashtrian nut. This have all the collections of it. This sorry, I'm really so sorry. This earring, this is one of my most favorite earring because this is given by the person who loved me the most, the person I loved her a lot, and now also she is my memory, and I just love her. That is given by my grandmother. That means I call him Ma, and I spent a lot of time with her, the golden times I have with her, but unfortunately she left us. But no, okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं ठीक है ठीक है this earring which was given by my grandmother only. I have the story of it when I was very small, like in the primary school. Then there was a function, the annual function. There was a dance of mine, and there was needed the red jewelry. So I told my grandmother because I share all of my things with my grandmother only, and just she took me to the jewelry shop in the shop, and she just told that choose whatever you want to choose. मतलब तुम कुछ भी ले लो, तुमको जो मैंने लेने का उनसे मैं इतना ज्यादा अटैच थी ना, इतना ज्यादा that बहुत ज्यादा ठीक है अब आगे बढ़ते हैं आई हैव द स्टॉप्स ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो ठीक है इतनी सारी है ना बट मैं कुछ उतना पहनती नहीं हूँ आप मुझे ज्यादातर यही सब इयरिंग्स में देखोगे ओके सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज दिस इयरिंग Why is this two earrings? Um, there is third category also that I don't know where to put it, in traditional or in Western, because it can be shoot in both of them. So now next is this. This is traditional only, but there is the third category. So please watch it also. I will show in this video only. Okay, now the next is this. I have to say one thing that the earring just I've showed you, this is attached Mang Tika with it, and the black metallic jewelry I've just shown you, this is the Mang Tika attached to it. This. And I told you about the Marathi and Nath. This is him, Marathi. I know it golden, but this is black only, black metallic only. Now they're coming to the third category because I can put it in both Western or in, you can just say traditional also. So this is the first earring. Do you remember it? I wear it in the my first video of YouTube, showing my vanity box. In that video, I just wear it. If you have not seen, go fast and just see that. Okay, now the second is this earring. Then third is this earring. I hope you like it, right? Now, coming to the Western earrings, the first I have this Western earring. Second, this top, which I have just wear right now. This big earrings. Next is this pair of earrings. This is very cute, right? And the third is this earring. Next is this, it's heart-shaped tops, which I have. And then I have the butterfly top also. It's very cute, but it's so small. Acha, I have tops because, and I mostly wear tops because in our school, the long earrings are not allowed. Like वो जो छोटा सा जो झुमका भी आता है ना बाला टाइप का, वो भी अलाउड नहीं है हमारे यहाँ, केवल टॉप्स चलेगा. Two plates, like we have the very good school and उनके यहाँ थोड़ा लंबे लंबे earrings allowed नहीं होते हैं. Next is this earring. Super cool, right? The next is this earring. It's very cute. I just love it. And this is at the last. I have this earring also, which has like this. And this is not a last because I have some of the gold earrings which is kept inside. And I have wear it very of the much, but because now my schools are off, so that is the reason I have just kept it, and Mama has taken with me. Okay, so this is what the earring. I hope you like this video, and if yes, then please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye. Love you all.